Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos. Buying a wheel and tire cleaner, along with a tire shine kit, is a decision that goes beyond mere aesthetics. It's about maintaining the health and longevity of your vehicle, while enhancing its appearance. Let's explore the reasons why investing in these products is beneficial for both your car and your overall driving experience. Preservation of vehicle appearance. Wheel and tire cleaner, coupled with a tire shine kit, helps preserve the appearance of your vehicle's wheels and tires. Over time, road grime, brake dust, and environmental contaminants can accumulate on your wheels, dulling their shine and detracting from the overall look of your car. Using a specialized cleaner removes these contaminants, restoring the luster of your wheels, and giving your car a fresh, polished appearance. Protection against corrosion and damage. Road debris, salt, and other harsh substances can corrode and damage your wheels and tires, leading to premature wear and tear. A wheel and tire cleaner helps remove these corrosive elements, protecting your wheels from rust and deterioration. Additionally, applying tire shine helps condition and protect the rubber, preventing it from cracking and fading, due to exposure to UV rays and environmental factors. Improve safety and performance. Clean wheels and tires not only enhance the aesthetics of your vehicle, but also contribute to its safety and performance. Brake dust buildup on wheels can affect braking efficiency, and lead to increased stopping distances. By regularly cleaning your wheels, you ensure optimal braking performance, and reduce the risk of brake-related accidents. Moreover, maintaining properly inflated and well-conditioned tires improves traction, handling, and fuel efficiency, enhancing overall driving safety and performance. Extended lifespan of components. Regular cleaning and conditioning with a wheel and tire cleaner and tire shine kit help extend the lifespan of your vehicle's wheels and tires. By removing dirt, grime, and corrosive substances, you prevent premature wear and deterioration, thereby maximizing the longevity of these critical components. Investing in the care and maintenance of your wheels and tires pays off in the long run by reducing the need for costly repairs and replacements. Enhanced resale value. A well-maintained vehicle commands a higher resale value. Potential buyers are often drawn to cars that have been cared for meticulously, including clean and shiny wheels and tires. By investing in a wheel and tire cleaner and tire shine kit, you not only enjoy the benefits of a beautiful-looking car during your ownership, but also increase its appeal and value when it comes time to sell or trade in. Convenience and ease of use. Wheel and tire cleaning products are designed for ease of use, making the cleaning process quick and hassle-free. Most cleaners come in spray bottles or aerosol cans for convenient application, while tire shine products often feature easy-to-use applicators for mess-free conditioning. Incorporating these products into your regular car maintenance routine is simple and convenient, allowing you to keep your vehicle looking its best with minimal effort. In conclusion, investing in a wheel and tire cleaner, along with a tire shine kit, is a wise decision for anyone looking to maintain the appearance, safety, and performance of their vehicle. These products offer a range of benefits, including preserving vehicle aesthetics, protecting against corrosion and damage, improving safety and performance, extending component lifespan. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.